The secret to Thai crab fried rice, just like Bangkok street food stalls, ready in 10 minutes. Growing up in Bangkok, you can find crab fried rice on every street corner. And today, I'm bringing the same flavor right into our kitchen. Let's prepare our ingredients. Garlic cloves, scallions, cucumber, red chili pepper, and lime. Set everything aside so it's ready to go. Now, the secret to fried rice is using overnight jasmine rice. The reduced moisture helps to keep each grain separate during stir frying. Here's how I made it. I used jasmine rice with a 1:1 ratio of rice to water. Choose the setting for rice. When the rice is done, spread it out on a plate to cool, then cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. And that's how we get the perfectly fluffy rice ready to go. In a wok over high heat, add cooking oil and immediately add the garlic. And crack the eggs and scramble until they are about halfway cooked through. Add the overnight rice. Stir fry until each grain is separated. The smoky street food aroma is called wok hei. Comes from cooking the rice over high heat. So at this point, don't be afraid to turn up your heat. Season it with soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. Mix well. Now we're gonna add the star of the show, crab meat, and stir to combine. So what are your favorite add-ins for fried rice? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. Finish with the scallions and give it a final toss. Let's make a dipping sauce. Combine the red chili pepper, fish sauce, and lime. And you can serve it on the side with the fried rice. And that's it! Smoky wok fried rice. Big chunks of juicy crab, just like the ones I grew up eating in Bangkok. You can also pair it with my green papaya salad. Click here for the recipe. Absolutely delicious that I can be dancing right now. It is so good. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!